Hello everybody, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to yet another धमाकेदार फर्राटेदार and मजेदार session by Embibe. This is Pritesh, your host, your host and a proud educator from Embibe, welcoming you to your grade 9 mega quiz. Yes guys, 10 का दम, 10 amazing beautiful questions from your chapter Improvement in Food Resources. Hi Rishabh, hi Sadiq, very good evening, welcome to the session. Let's talk about the 10 amazing questions from your chapter Improvement in Food Resources. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत ही अमेजिंग और बेहतरीन चैप्टर है और बहुत ही अमेजिंग सेशन भी होगा आज. तो आइए खूब मजे करते हैं, बिल्कुल धमाकेदार फर्राटेदार एंड मजेदार तरीके से सारे क्वेश्चंस का जवाब देंगे एंड बहुत ही ज्यादा मजे करेंगे आज के सेशन में. हाय, वेरी गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम टू द सेशन कट्टर. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि हमारा ये जो एम्बाइब का पेज है ये भी बहुत धमाकेदार और मजेदार है क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल भी फ्री है. हम इंडियंस हैं, हमें मुफ्त की चीजें बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, राइट? तो उसी तरह से ये हमारा जो एम्बाइब का पेज है ये भी बिल्कुल मुफ्त है. यहाँ पर आपको मिलता है जो भी आप चाहो, चाहे वो टेस्ट, असाइनमेंट, स्टडी मटेरियल, क्वेश्चन, सॉल्यूशन, एक्सप्लेनेशन टू सॉल्यूशन, बुक्स, रेफरेंस बुक्स, एनसीईआरटीज, एनी बोर्ड, एनी ग्रेड, एनी सब्जेक्ट, एनी लैंग्वेज, बिल्कुल भी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. तो जरूर आपको जब भी समय मिले एम्बाइब के पेज पर जरूर विजिट कीजिए एंड हमारे एम्बाइब के ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए गूगल स्टोर या एप्पल स्टोर से. हमारे साथ टेलीग्राम पर जुड़े रहिए क्योंकि जब मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तभी तो सुर बने हमारा, राइट? तो एम्बाइब के टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन करने के लिए इस क्यूआर कोड को स्कैन कीजिए और हमारे साथ एम्बाइब के टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जुड़िए बिकॉज यहाँ से आपको मिलेंगी जो भी चैनल पे होने वाली हैं उन सेशंस की अपडेट, सेशंस के पीडीएफ्स और आपको हमारे साथ कनेक्ट करने का एक मौका भी मिलेगा. इसी के साथ साथ अगर आपके मन में कोई भी डाउट है किसी टॉपिक को लेकर तो आप डायरेक्टली हमसे यानी कि आपके एम्बाइब के फेवरेट टीचर्स से, एजुकेटर से बात करके अपने डाउट्स भी सॉल्व करवा सकते हैं. इसी के साथ साथ दीजिए आज के इस वीडियो को बिग फैट थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और शेयर कीजिए इस वीडियो को अपने सारे दोस्तों के साथ, अपने स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स पर भी, आपके स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स को, आपके टीचर्स को, सभी को ये ऐलान कीजिए कि कैसे ये जो एम्बाइब अचीव सीबीएसई 9th and 10th का चैनल है ये कैसे बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आपको दे रहा है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन विद इंटरैक्टिव एक्सरसाइजेस एंड बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्सप्लेनेशन बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, राइट? तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आपके ग्रेड 9th के इम्प्रूवमेंट इन फूड रिसोर्सेज चैप्टर का एक क्विज सेशन. 10 का दम, बहुत ही अमेजिंग 10 ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, उनका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी देखेंगे और इसी के साथ आगे बढ़ेंगे. तो आज के इस सेशन में हम कवर करने वाले हैं इम्प्रूवमेंट इन क्रॉप यील्ड एंड एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास है सबसे पहला सवाल कि अ सिस्टम, एक मिनट, इसको मैं कर लेता हूं थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश बिकॉज यहां पर है सारे क्वेश्चंस विजिबल. तो इसको हम एक बार रिफ्रेश कर लेंगे, राइट? चलिए, हाँ. अ सिस्टम ऑफ फार्मिंग ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर फार्म which includes crop production, raising of livestock, etc. तो ऐसा कौन सा सिस्टम ऑफ फार्मिंग है जहां पर क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन भी हो रहा है और एनिमल हस्बेंड्री भी हो रही है? ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग, बायोटिक फार्मिंग, एबायोटिक फार्मिंग या मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग, जहां पर दोनों हो रहा है, क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन भी और एनिमल हस्बेंड्री भी. इसके लिए हम एक हिंट लेंगे जो है ये ऐसा मेथड ऑफ फार्मिंग है जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा आपके उपयोग हो जाते हैं, एक से ज़्यादा आपके जो पर्पसेस हैं वो सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. सादिक ने जवाब दिया है मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग. तो आइए देखते हैं ये सही है या नहीं. बिल्कुल सही सादिक, बहुत बढ़िया सादिक, निरंकारी, बहुत ही सही और बढ़िया जवाब है. तो मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग साइमल्टेनियसली ग्रोइंग ऑफ 2 और मोर क्रॉप्स हो सकता है या फिर इवन इट कैन बी 2 इंडिपेंडेंट एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिसेस जैसे क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एज वेल एज एनिमल हस्बेंड्री. ठीक है, मिक्स्ड फार्मिंग में आप क्या कर सकते हैं, आप वीट एंड ग्राम एक साथ उगा सकते हैं, वीट एंड मस्टर्ड, सनफ्लावर, ग्राउंडनट, ये भी आप एक साथ उगा सकते हैं और आप यहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर यानी कि क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन और एनिमल हस्बेंड्री ये दोनों भी आप साथ में कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, आइए अगला सवाल देखते हैं जो है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कि द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ फूड एडल्ट्रेशन एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन विच ईयर? 1950, 54, 64 या 89? फूड एडल्ट्रेशन यानी कि मिलावट, फूड एडल्ट्रेशन यानी कि मिलावट. सर आप फिर मेरे सरनेम की प्रोनाउंसिएशन भूल गए हो अपने प्लेटफॉर्म. अच्छा, निरंकारी, इफ सादिक मुझे करेक्ट कीजिए, इज इट निरंकारी, राइट? ठीक है, हाय वर्षा, वेलकम वेलकम टू द सेशन। वर्षा कह रही है 1964। आइए हम हिंट देख लेते हैं। ये वो लॉ है जो इंडिपेंडेंस के 7 साल बाद पास किया गया था। ये तो बहुत अच्छी हिंट है। हाय आशा। ओके, तो सादिक एंड आशा कह रहे हैं 1954 और वर्षा कह रही है 1964। अब हमें हिंट ये मिली है कि ये आज़ादी के जो हमारा आज़ादी का सुनहरा वर्ष था 1947, उसके 7 साल बाद ये लॉ पास किया गया है। तो अगर मैं इसको ऐड बाय 7 करूं तो मेरा आंसर होता है 1954। यानी कि सादिक और आशा ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया है और वर्षा ने भी अभी सही जवाब दे दिया है, जो है 1954। फूड एडल्ट्रेशन यानी खाने में मिलावट, जैसे कि धनिया पाउडर में सॉ डस्ट की मिलावट है ना, दूध में चॉक पाउडर की मिलावट, ये सारी जो मिलावट की हरकतें हैं, इनको रोकने के लिए फूड एडल्ट्रेशन प्रिवेंशन एक्ट पास किया गया था सन 1954 में। The House of Parliament passed the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act on 29th of September 1954. It came into existence on the 1st of June 1955. Law exists in many states of India for the prevention of adulterants used in foodstuffs as they lead to health-related disorders. मुझे अभी भी याद है बात नासिक की है, जो मेरी जन्मभूमि है, मेरी कर्मभूमि भी काफ़ी दिनों तक वो रही थी। हाय अविशा, हाय अविशा, यस योर नेम इज़ अविशा, अविशा पांडे। तो हाय मिस्टर राणा। तो ये बात नासिक की है, आई थिंक साल था 2015 और खबर आई सुबह सुबह 7-8 बजे खबर आई जब मैं घर से दफ्तर के लिए निकल ही रहा था कि हम जहाँ रहते थे नासिक में, तो हमारे घर से ही पास एक बहुत ही फेमस, मैं नाम यहाँ पर किसी भी ब्रांड का नहीं लेना चाहूँगा, लेकिन एक बहुत ही फेमस डेयरी है जो हाय शुभ, ओके योर नेम इज शुभ नॉट वर्षा, ओके हाय शुभ, हाय अविशा। तो एक बहुत ही फेमस डेयरी है जहाँ का दूध, पनीर, दही ये काफ़ी हद तक बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़े पैमाने पर बिकता था नासिक में। और सुबह सुबह 3 बजे, सुबह के 3 बजे फूड इंस्पेक्टर्स ने उस डेयरी पर रेड मारी, उस डेयरी पर जांच के लिए वो लोग गए और उन्हें पता चला कि जो दूध था, जो वो डेयरी दूध बेच रही थी, वो पूरा मिलावट वाला था। और आप मानेंगे नहीं पर ये बिल्कुल सच है कि उस दिन कम से कम 100 से 150 लीटर दूध फेंक दिया गया, क्योंकि फूड इंस्पेक्टर्स को पता चला कि वो दूध मिलावट वाला है और उस दूध को फेंक दिया गया ताकि कोई भी कोई भी कस्टमर्स, कोई भी जो ग्राहक हैं वो उस दूध का सेवन ना करें और उस मिलावट वाले दूध का सेवन करने से लोग बीमार होंगे और इसलिए वो दूध फेंक दिया गया। तो इसलिए सन 29 सितंबर सन 1954 को ये लॉ पास किया गया था, दैट इज द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ फूड एडल्ट्रेशन। हाय अर्ची, वेरी गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम टू द सेशन। आई होप यू आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली सेफ एंड साउंड एंड एवरीवन अराउंड यू। कैसे हैं आप अर्ची? आपको मिलकर बहुत 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 अच्छा लगा। ठीक है, आई विल यूज लेस हिंदी एज पॉसिबल। Okay, come on. Moving on to the next question. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. What are these? What are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium? They are micronutrients, macronutrients, fertilizers or both A and B. Micro means used in little quantity. Macro means required in large quantities. Fertilizer means inorganic, and both A and B can be micro and macro both. The hint given over here is that nitrogen and phosphorus are its examples. Okay, very easy. Chaliye. So Avisha is saying B. Avisha is saying B, Sadik is saying B, then fertilizer, okay, and Dark is saying hi, Dark, hello. So you guys are saying that B, macronutrient, okay, let us go with the majority saying as macronutrient, which is absolutely correct. So nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are macronutrients, right? Okay, so nutrients are supplied to the plants by air, water and soil. The essential elements can be divided into macro and micro. So nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium are macro. Apart from that, if you have yes Dark, apart from that, if you have molybdenum or calcium, magnesium, all these are micronutrients, right? Chalo, moving on to the next question, super easy, super amazing question right in front of you, that rotation of crops, why should you rotate the crops? Why should you keep on changing the crops every season? Is it to get different kinds of crops? Is it to increase the quality of minerals? Is it to increase the fertility of soil? Or is it to increase the quality of proteins? The hint given over here is that crop rotation helps in getting better quality. So what do you think is the answer? Different kinds, increasing quality of minerals, fertility, or quality of proteins? Super easy. Okay, so most of you are saying C. Let us see whether C is the correct answer or not. So it is absolutely correct that C is the correct answer, right? Chalo. So when you do crop rotation, like every season, when you change the crop, it definitely gives your soil to get time to replenish the nutrients, to engage in more healthier ecosystem, and that improves the fertility of the soil. So you can grow bajra and jawar, then next season wheat, not wheat, right? So you can grow bajra, jawar, and then wheat, or then the legumes, and this helps to make the soil very, very healthy, right? Then in crop rotation, different crops are planted in the same field in a sequential manner. This makes the soil fertile by optimizing nutrients and helps in the increase of crop yield. It also decreases the demand for nitrogenous fertilizers, as leguminous plants are grown during crop rotation, fixing the atmospheric nitrogen. So yeah, but teacher, okay. So guys, I'll explain you in a very, very simple manner, okay? So here I have got two containers, right? One is of milk, three. One is of milk, one is of a juice, and one is of water. And they are continuously getting filled. Okay? So if you come, say in the year, say Monday, you drink only the milk. So what will happen? The milk container will reduce by half, right? Then you decide that Tuesday you want to have juice. So the juice container will reduce to half. But in the meanwhile, the milk container has got full, because on Tuesday you are having only juice. And then on Wednesday, when you decide to have water, the juice container will also get full and the milk container will get more time to get full. This is what is crop rotation. When you give time to the soil to grow one crop after the other, the soil replenishes the nutrients, right? So suppose this Monday is wheat. So wheat, for example, takes milk from the soil and bajra takes juice from the soil. So when you're growing bajra, the milk will get replenished in the soil. And that is why crop rotation, it helps to replenish the nutrients in the soil. Have you guys understood the concept of crop rotation? Just tell me yes, no, sir, please repeat. I will repeat it 20,000 times as well. So just tell me, have you understood crop rotation? I guess you guys should not debate about this. I'm here to help all of you, right? Irrespective of where I am. So let's focus. Hi, okay, Abhisha, that's really nice. That's great. If you have understood, that's amazing. Okay, so moving on to the next question, and that is, okay, always remember one thing, bigger the question, easier it is. So never get shocked or never get overwhelmed by looking at a very, very lengthy question. Bigger the question, easier it is, whether it is on the Embibe channel or whether it is, in the exam, wherever. Bigger the question, easier it is. Thank you, Sadiq. God bless you. You're very, very kind. Find out the correct sentence about manure. So let us go one by one. Manure contains large quantities of organic matter. Yes, it does. And small quantities of nutrients. Yes, it does. So my one is true. When I say my one is true, it can either be option A or B. यहाँ पर 2, 3 है तो ये नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ पर 3, 4 है तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. Let us go on the next question. And it also tells me that I don't need to read the fourth. See guys, you have to solve MCQs very, very smartly. When I know that my answer will be either A or B, in A I have got 1, 3 and 2. So I don't need to read the fourth one. Forget the fourth one. Don't waste time. Right? Now let us move on to the second one. It increases the water holding capacity of sandy soil? Yes, it does. It helps in draining out excess water from clay soil? No, it does not. So my 1 and 2 becomes the correct one. Are you guys with me? Are you guys with me? Yes, Sadiq, absolutely correct. And we are right. We are right. Correct? Okay. So that is what is about manure. Also guys, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is biology with Pritesh. So biology with Pritesh is my Insta handle where you can connect with me and we can, you know, sort of discuss bio concepts. We can talk to each other. We can have a bond, and even Embibe Achieve 9th and 10th is the Instagram handle of Embibe. So you can follow both the channels. My channel, that is biology with Pritesh on Instagram, and Embibe Achieve 9th and 10th. Okay? Oh, that's so nice, Sadiq. Do send me a hi today. Manure is mainly composed of organic matter. When added to the soil, it only fertilizes soil, it increases the water holding capacity, and it can be 3 types: green manure, compost manure, and farmyard manure. Manure cannot drain water from any kind of soil as it is very, very dense. Okay? Chalo. Biology with Pritesh, BIOLOGYWITH right? So it's biology with Pritesh. Okay? Chalo. Then next question. Preventive and control measures adopted for storage of grains include. So what do the preventive and adopted measures for storage? Please focus on the word storage over here. Strict cleaning, proper disjoining, fumigation, and all of the above. Super easy. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Chaliye, quick, very quick. Come on guys, very, very easy. We are talking about storage. You know that storage can be large scale, small scale. And the hint is that storage or loss of grains takes place if no proper measures are taken to store the food. Come on, quick, very quick. Tell me the answer in the chat. Very good, Avisha, Sadiq, Dark, and others. I'm waiting for your answers. Great, very good. Udit. So the answer is all of the above. That is absolutely correct. All of the above is the correct answer. Okay? Yes, you are right. When you're storing grains, you have to make sure that the grains are, away from, they're not getting impacted by any kind of biotic or abiotic factors. Biotic factors include rodents, insects, germs, microorganisms, and abiotic factors include your air, moisture, etc. So the grain should be properly sun-dried and stored at an optimum temperature. They cannot be stored on a very, very high temperature because otherwise the grains will get roasted. They have to be stored at a lower temperature than the optimum temperature. So 25 to 35 is the optimum temperature for growth of microbes. So you have to store grains below 20 degrees so that they remain fresh and they are away from any kind of microbial infection. Also, you have to carry out fumigation and make sure that the grains are stored in a very, very clean place, right? Can you guys give me an example of a biopesticide? Can any one of you give me an example of a biopesticide? A special shout out for that person today. An example of a biopesticide, a bio or an organic pesticide. Come on, quick, very quick, jaldi. Biopesticide, Sadiq. I'm not talking about types of manure. I'm talking about biopesticide. No, Avisha. Biopesticide. Nope. Biopesticide to store grains. You won't put, see, this is what Google does. You won't put baking soda in grains, right? Very good, Avisha. Special round of applause. Very good. Special round of applause. It is dried neem leaves. When you put dried neem leaves around grains, the neem is so bitter that because of its bitter smell, any kinds of insects, rodents won't come near the grains, right? So dried neem leaves is an amazing biopesticide. Moving on to the next question, directly from heaven, question number 7. Storage losses in agricultural produce can be very high. What are the factors responsible? Just now I told you factors responsible for storage losses: biotic, abiotic, weeds or land. Which are the factors responsible? Hi Varun, is it 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2 or 1, 2, 3, 4? Chilies can be a biopesticide, but not for every kind of grain. But dried neem leaves, even if you put them around the granary, even if you put them around any kind of storage area, it helps. Yes, Dark, she's a very, very good friend of mine, right? Tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1 and 2 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Varun is saying it is A. That is 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Read it again. I'm talking about storage. I'm talking about storage. चलिए थोड़ी सी दिमाग की बत्ती जलाओ. Yes, I know her very well. You are saying A? Chalo. I'll go with the majority, which is absolutely wrong. It is not A. It will be C, as Sadiq told us. It will be biotic and abiotic. The factors that are responsible for spoilage of grains during storage are biotic factors and abiotic factors. It has nothing to do with weeds or the land, right? So that is why your C will be the correct answer. Chalo, moving on to the next one. Let's not get late because it's question number 8. Milk production from cows and buffaloes depends on which of the following factors? Lactation period, type of food given to the animal is present, the country in which the animal is present, or the breed of the cattle. On what does the milk production depends? On what does the milk production depends? It depends on lactation period, type of food given, country in which, or the breed. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Jersey, Brown, Swiss and Holstein are the milk cattle having long lactation periods. Okay, so Asha is saying it is B, that is 1, 2, 4. What about others? Avisha. What about others? What do you think is the answer? Think, do not blink. Sadiq is also saying it is B. Okay. Varun is also saying B. Okay. Breed and B. Okay. Okay. Let's see whether B is the correct answer or not. And it is absolutely correct that it is lactation period. Okay, Sadiq, I'll definitely respond. Lactation period, it is the breed as well as the food that is given. Country doesn't depend really. Country doesn't, matter when it comes to the milk production, right? Chalo. Moving on to the next question. Everything is fine because it's question number 9. Okay, Dark, that's so nice of you. Which of the following are Indian cattle? Bos indicus, Bos domestica, Bos bubalis or Bos vulgaris? Which of these sounds like Game of Thrones names? Which of these are the Indian cattle? Which of these are Indian cattle? Sadiq is saying it is 1 and 3. Okay. What about others? Ignore this. Okay. 2 of you are saying A. What about Dark, Varun, Avisha? Varun is saying it's 1 and 2. Okay. Yes, I am. Okay, all of you are saying B, but some of you are saying A as well. Even Dark is saying B. Okay, okay. So let's see whether it is second one. It is wrong. The answer is Bos indicus and Bos bubalis. You don't have to go with domestica because it sounds Indian. It's not Indian. So indicus and bubalis, they are the 2 Indian species. So bubalis and indicus are the cattle breeds. Indicus is Zebu cattle breed, whereas bubalis is a water buffalo. Domestica is found in Africa, Asia, Europe, parts of North America and South America. And that is why bubalis and indicus, they are the Indian breeds. Okay? No problem. Chaliye. Moving on to Let us achieve a Zen because it's question number 10, the last question of today. Leghorn and Aseel are related to dash. What are Leghorn and Aseel? Hi Prachi, you have to tell me the answer in the chat. Prachi, welcome to the session. Leghorn and Aseel are apiculture, that is bee farming, dairy farming, pisciculture or poultry. What are Leghorn and Aseel? Okay, Varun is saying D, Sadik is saying D, Avisha is saying D. What about others? Dark. Okay, D, D, D. What about Prachi? Prachi, what do you think is the answer? Prachi Bhardwaj. Chaliye, quick, very quick. Apiculture is the rearing of bees. You know, when you are rearing bees to obtain honey and bee wax, that is called as apiculture. It's a very, very booming industry with a very less investment and good profits. So apiculture is a booming business where you have to invest very less to install the what do you call, the bee boxes, but it's a very good investment, especially people who have farms. Yes, correct Varun, you are absolutely right. So all of you are saying D is the correct one. Let's see, and that is correct. So Aseel and Leghorn are related to poultry. Leghorn is a breed of chicken that is originated in Italy. White Leghorns are commonly used as layer chickens. Aseel breed provides a high yield of meat and also is a good egg layer. So it is both, it is both a broiler as well as an egg layer. Okay? Chalo. So guys, with that we come towards the end, and I hope you enjoyed these 10 questions of the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. I'll be seeing you again very soon, and if you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Do share it with your friends at school WhatsApp groups and subscribe to the channel. Avisha, you can connect with me on Telegram. This is the Telegram channel where you can post your doubts. You can also connect with me on my Insta handle, that is Biology with Pritesh, where you can tell me your doubts and I'll definitely be happy to solve it. Right? So until we meet next, guys, this is Pritesh, your host, your dose, and a proud educator from Embibe, signing off for now. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. God bless all of you. Bye-bye. And do not forget to keep imbibing because we believe in you.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.